lovelies, welcome back to my channel Blushing Papers and thank you so much for watching my videos. So today I'm gonna make a Jolo chip. Basically, I'm not gonna make it, I'm just gonna draw it. So let's get started. In the very first process, I have drawn the outline of the Jolo chip box taking its reference from the image, and I have drawn it with pencil with very light handed so that its outline doesn't go with the paper. That's why I have drawn, and now I'm coloring it with acrylics over that outlines. For filling colors under area of outline, I have used round brush of size 6, and for the edges I will use the detailer brush. Now I'm choosing titanium white for filling up the letters. Using the same titanium white, I will fill all the letters which I have drawn on the Jolo chip box. Make sure you use detailer brush or the thin size brush, for example 2 or 0 size, so that your letters must be filled perfectly. Using the big size brush, I will fill the box with Ivory Black, and in between the skulls and letters, I will use detailer brush to fill the Ivory Black in between them. Do you have observed that this gives a soothing effect to our mind, a satisfying effect to our mind? That, see, watching the process also gives something soothing, something satisfying to your mind, something stability to your mind. So if you feel so, then please comment down below. I personally love art just because of this. It gives me so relaxation, so much soothing effect to my mind, calming effect to my mind, that I just forgot everything and go into the different world when I am painting. So that's why I paint basically. My favorite therapy is art therapy. What's yours? Comment down below what gives you the calming effect, the soothing effect to your mind, so that I can also practice that or try out something new. So now filling up with the Ivory Black, our box will be ready and few detailing will be left, so let's get to it. For the small letters, I will use the white gel pen. This is basically a roller pen. You can if you wanna buy, you can check out the description. I have mentioned the link down there. If you wanna buy, then you can buy. Okay, so if you are here, then I hope you have enjoyed the process. That's why you are here, and you have learned something new from this process, from this video. So please, one more request, please share this to all your friends, all your family members, and to most importantly to all art lovers you all know. This will give me more learners, and please do share. Subscribe is the must thing because it's totally free of cost. Subscribing to the channel, hitting like on the like button, and commenting down is completely free of cost. Then you can, why not to take that services which are free of cost, and please do everything which I want. Please, it gives me motivation. It's not an order, it's just a request. Hey, stop! You haven't hit the like button yet. Who will put on the subscribe button? And who will turn on the notification icon? Okay, thank you. Please share. Until my next video, stay blushy.